NowDocs Web-to-Print solution, NowPrint, contains a catalog workflow enabling print buyers to order static documents, standard and advanced variable data products, warehouse items, or kits, which can contain any combination of static documents, variable data products, and warehoused items. A buyer has several options to access the NowPrint site. They can be pre-registered by the site administrator, register themselves as a new user, be granted automatic access through a company's network directory, or place an order as a guest user. If the buyer already has a profile, they will simply enter their username and password and log into the site. From the buyer's homepage, they will click on the catalog workflow icon. They can then browse through the various folders containing the different catalog items. Once a buyer has identified the product they wish to order, they can name the order and select the item. As they scroll over the item, they will see a magnified view. By clicking on the item icon, they are then taken to the item's details page. In the case of this variable data business card, the buyer will click on the Personalize button to begin the customization process. The buyer will now enter information into the appropriate fields they wish to populate into the document. In the case of this advanced variable data item, a QR code can be generated on the business card by entering a web address. The buyer can also add an image to the document to further personalize it. An image gallery can be supplied to the buyer, or in this document, the buyer can browse their computer for the image they wish to upload. Once the image is uploaded to the screen and the buyer has entered their information into the appropriate fields, they will populate that information into the document by clicking the Preview button. They can now scroll over the document and view a magnified area to make sure each field is entered correctly. Once they have approved the preview, they can click on the Add to Order button, which will then display the item at the shopping cart page. Here they can adjust their order quantity, as well as other editing possibilities. Once finished, they click on either the Continue Shopping button to return to the catalog, or click the Continue button to move to the Delivery Options page. The buyer can specify how they wish to receive their order from a drop-down window of options provided to them, as well as the ability to choose a date and time to receive the order. Once the delivery options have been selected, they click the Continue button to move to the Payment Options page. The buyer will then choose how to pay for the order from the various payment options that can be provided to them. Perhaps, in the instance of an account payment, they will enter the appropriate account information. Once the buyer has completed the order information, they click on the Place Order button to finish the process. They are presented with an order confirmation page with their order number and a viewable and printable receipt. By clicking the Home button, they will be returned to the home page, where they can track their order or place additional orders. For more information, please visit the NowDocs company website at www.nowdocs.com.